This is your reading for today. A message will come to you loud and clear. Um, it is going to be so loud and clear that you cannot unhear it. You have to hear it. Now, what do you have to do in this situation? You have to stay balanced, not become too practical when this conversation, message, information comes to you, and not become too emotional. Okay? You don't have to, go all out with your sword in hand that you cut the other person down, and you don't have to become over emotional and respond to the situation. Um, One practice that will help you to stay balanced when this loud and clear message comes to you, because it might take you by surprise. You might feel startled. Start doing this practice, and not just because of this message, but this is a practice that you need to build into your mind. At the end of the day, keep a notebook, write the date, and write down situations where I was too harsh today, situations where I was too emotional today, and keep writing. You don't have to analyze. Just write down the situation as it is. Keep your own judgment and opinion out of it over here. Okay? Start doing this as a regular life practice, because this is going to help you in the long run. Now, this message has taken its time coming. Why? Because you see, now one person in this situation was like too anxious. Like whenever the conversation happened, you were rushing ahead and trying to say things, but in this rushing ahead, you could not really say what you really wanted to say. You were losing yourself in all this rushing ahead. Now you have taken the time to slow down and really say what you have. The other person in this situation was always, feeling like that they have to be on the defensive. And also, again, being on the defensive, they also felt that they again could not be their authentic self, because if they did, then possibly the other side would feel hurt or would not understand them. Not hurt, but they would be misunderstood. But this misunderstanding sense was coming from the fact that they could not tame their own demons. They themselves did not understand themselves. Now they have, the communication will come. It is time to come face to face and have this conversation when there is no clear guidance, but it will come loud and clear and you cannot escape.